heights, soaring to greater heights this 2023. So that would mean we have to achieve further beyond what we've accomplished for the last 20 years of existence ng Asian Hospital, di ba?
We can make it better than it ever was.
We will make sure that Asian Hospital remains to be your happy place.
I know the road is long, but we're not giving up. There's no safety.
This coming year, we are going to deepen our services and expand them and mag-provide ng innovative programs para sa at services na ngayon ay magiging isa na sa bahagi ng ating buhay bilang Asian Hospital.
Sifting through the rubble, chipping at a broken wall. It won't all be perfect, but it can be beautiful. We can make it better than it ever was. I know the road is long, but we're not giving up. Love is taking over now. Nothing's gonna stop this flood.
Napaka-espesyal yung ospital na ito sa akin dahil dalawang anak ko dito pinanganak. Gusto lang namin batiin at magpasalamat din, of course, to our Asian Hospital President, Dr. Tamesis. Thank you so much.
We can make it better than it ever was. I know we can make it. I know we can make it. I know the road is long, but we're not giving up. I know the road is long, but we're not giving up. Love is taking over now.
Now is the time really to go for our goals. Lahat nangangailangan ng tulong, at least makarating dito sa Asian. Para matanggap nila ang serbisyo na deserve nila. Ang tatak Asian na serbisyo. Yan ang purpose natin bilang Asian Hospital.